Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to link buttons to pages on Squarespace step by step. I'll be walking through this on the web version. First, navigate to the page where you want to add the button. In the top left corner, find the edit button and click it. Your page will enter edit mode and editable sections with insert points will appear. Now, hover over the section where you want your button until a plus icon appears. Click that plus icon, or if you're in a page section, click Add Block. A menu of block types will pop up. From that list, click Button. A default button block appears on your page with the placeholder text, Learn More. Next, hover over the button until the block toolbar appears. In that toolbar, click the pencil icon. You can also just double-click the button itself. The button editor panel will open, showing the content and design tabs. At the top, there's a text field where you can change what your button says. Click into that field and type your custom button label. If you're happy with Learn More, you can skip this step. Below the text field, there's a button that says Attach Link, click it. A URL field and a drop-down menu will appear. Click the URL drop-down menu. Options like URL, page, file, email, and phone display. From that drop-down, select Page. Once you do, a list of all the pages on your site appears. Choose the page you want to link to. Your selected page will now show in the link field. If you want to adjust the button's appearance, click the Design tab at the top of the button editor. Options to change the button style appear like switching from a primary button to a secondary or tertiary button plus size and alignment controls. This step is optional. Once you're done, click anywhere outside the button editor panel. The panel will close, and your changes save automatically. Your button is now linked and styled. Finally, if your site requires manual publishing, click Save or Publish in the top corner. Most Squarespace sites auto-save, but if the option appears, click it to push your changes live. Before you finish, open your live site not in edit mode and click your button to confirm it takes you to the right page. Also, double-check that the destination page is published and not sitting in draft mode, or the link won't work. And if you're customizing the button text, keep it under 25 characters. Squarespace recommends that length for readability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.